So you're free to walk all over the house, Nick, you know, wherever we are, whatever's going on. I mean, if it gets weird, we'll tell you, but by and large.
It's weird already.
Well, sure, it's weird. Chuck's what you call a do-it-yourselfer. Today he's doing it in the kitchen. How's it going there, Chuck?
It didn't look this big online.
What he should have done is get himself over to the home show, talk to an expert. Don't chuck it up. Go to the home show.
It's not working! All right, cool.
That blind is not well hung. Chuck is what you call a do-it-yourselfer. Today he's doing it in the bathroom. What are you doing, Chuck?
I'm replacing an electrical outlet.
Should have gone to the home show first. Talk to an expert.